Do you love cranberries, but you're tired of the same old sweet cranberry sauce? You're going to want to try this. I'm Miss Kay. This is Go Cuisine. Welcome. Today we're making a Dijon shallot cranberry sauce. Start with fresh or frozen cranberries. 6 ounces, 175 grams. 2 tablespoons of water and a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can put more sugar if you like, but we don't like things very sweet. So you can double this if you'd like. That's 50 grams. We'll add the zest and juice of half a lemon. This is a small batch. Feel free to double the recipe. Next, we'll move to the stove and bring this to a boil over medium heat. We'll simmer this for about 10 minutes after the juice boils so that it will break down the cranberries. Whoa! Look at that color. Next, we're going to add some thyme. You can use fresh or dried, about a 1/2 teaspoon. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Pinch of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger, or cheat and use the tube like me. And that's probably more than 1/2 teaspoon. We need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and red wine vinegar. This is actually honey Dijon. Red wine vinegar. And then we're supposed to put a tablespoon of finely chopped shallot, but I don't have any fresh, so I'm using dried. So I'm going to add a little bit more water to hydrate those. A little more mustard, because that wasn't quite a tablespoon. Give it a stir. And back on the fire for 5 minutes. I decided that those dried shallots weren't going to cut it, so I finally diced a little tiny bit of onion to throw in here. And I'm just waiting for it to come to a boil again. And we'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now, if you see this is getting a bit dry, add a little more water. I like to use a spray bottle to control it, but you can just do it by the teaspoonful. Look at that color. Gorgeous. Now after this is simmered again for 5 minutes, it's ready to serve. Remove it from the heat. You can store it in the refrigerator for a few days or use it right away. Here, I've served it on top of some salmon that I cooked in the air fryer. It was delicious. This can jazz up other meats. You can use it on your holiday table, or you can use it every day. I hope this is something you've enjoyed, and if you don't mind, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and check out this next video. Bon appetit! Au revoir! Don't forget to share with your friends and check out our Facebook group. Check out the links in the video description. Au revoir!